Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be using new makeup, okay? New makeup products, foundation, eyeshadow, new concealer, even a new lip, and it does not contain Charlotte lip pencil. If you like this look, keep watching. Let's hop into all this makeup. Already prime my face with the Charlotte Tilbury skincare. I may do a little bit more. I already use the Charlotte Tilbury Micro Brow Cheat. I use the Micro Brow Cheat. This one better because it's smaller, so you can really get in there. And the color I use is black brown, which doesn't make my eyebrows too dark, but it still fills them in well. So first things first, I want to show y'all, I got this beautiful palette. This just came out. It's a YSL eyeshadow palette, and what is it called? It's the Contour Mini Clutch. Okay, it's so freaking cute. So I did choose this color because that's Noah. I wanted something more mauvey, just something more colors. I love nudes, I love browns. That's usually what I gravitate towards. I want to take the Makeup by Mario concealer, Surreal Skin Awakening concealer in the shade 460. Do what I always do, put a little bit on my eye. Remember we used to use the MAC paint pots? Laying low was my jam, thanks to Shayla. You could just use concealer because the MAC paint pots, I still like them, but they're just a little too thick, you know. And so I've always put it on my lid and I drag it up to my brow bone and clean underneath my brow bone as well. Onto our palette, so I'm going to take these out. I'm just going to like fall. I kind of want to go darker into lighter, so let's do this shade here. This is like a beautiful, it's like a dark mauve. It looks like a mix in between like a dark mauve and purple, and a little bit of kickback so far, but that's okay. I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to use my new favorite eyeshadow brush ever, the Claudio Riaz Instant Eye Brush, because this is going to pop that in there really nice. And this brush really helps put the eyeshadow in your crease. And to go into the lighter mauve matte shade here, kind of reminds me of one of those shades that was in the Anastasia palette. I feel like it was the Modern Renaissance. Okay, so far the shadows are smooth. They're applying very well. They're blending well. Because as I've said before, some higher end makeup brands, it's just the name and the price, and the makeup is not that great, but that's my opinion. I'm also putting in the corner here that matte shade, and I'm dragging it up. This brush, the Instant Shadow Brush by Claudio, let me close up on it. You guys need this brush. This brush does all the work for you. Literally, it defined my crease. So then when I applied the matte shadow, that like lavender matte shadow, it kind of just placed on its own. It's so good. I love this brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of that deeper shade, and I'm going to go right in the inner corner, only on the outer part of my eye here. They have these beautiful sparkly shades in here, and I'm like debating if I want to pop it on top. So I'm going to take the light pink and I'm just going to place it on top just a little bit. It's so pretty. Or like a lot of other brands making palettes like Charlotte Tilbury with the pop shade and stuff. Palette, this is 100% approved. This is really good, and this is the palette again in the number 400. I do want to do some black liner. A new product that I actually really like. I do wear false lashes on the occasion. I do not wear false lashes every day. I do not get individuals, but it's the Guerlain Mascara. I really like this mascara. The brush is curved. Really help maximize what you have without clumping or anything like that. The lashes that I'm applying right now are the lashes in Farah, number 12, Deluxe Faux Mink by Huda Beauty. So now we're heading to the face and we're going to be applying the Makeup by Mario foundation. Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation in the shade 230. Couple pumps of this. Now y'all know this foundation was viral. And I've had it for a minute, I just haven't used it. Interested to see what it do. And it had really good feedback. I always say, I feel like makeup artists make good makeup lines. Ooh, so far so good. It's super luminous. That's what I'm noticing so far. The color is good. Ooh, ooh. It's very luminous. I applied my moisturizer earlier this morning. It's very luminous. It's super hydrating. My skin most definitely feels hydrated. It doesn't feel tight or anything like that. I like it so far. How it wears, we'll know that later. I really like it so far. I like it a lot. Then we also have the concealer. The darker shade I picked was the color 590. And so far what I'm noticing about the concealer, and I did pick a shade a little too red, I probably have to go back and exchange it, is that it's very like, it's creamy, right? It has like a creaminess to it, but it's not super thick. It's like a perfect balance of like a texture of a concealer. Lighter concealer that I picked for 60 may not be that, okay, that's good. Now it's looking brighter. And I'm actually applying more than what I usually would apply. Look at this. I love it. So far on the skin, except for the skincare, we have all Makeup by Mario. And love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It looks like skin. So now I'm just going to take the Laura Mercier powder. I don't have any new powders. That's going to be my next purchase. And I'm just going to set underneath the eye. So I like to just take it and load it up on a brush, and I like to just press into my skin. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I really love the Makeup by Mario foundation. I'm kind of mad I tried it so late. I really love it. And look, I still am luminous even after putting that super mattifying powder, Laura Mercier, under it. Another new product, I have used it before in my video, I feel like, but it's new to my makeup collection really. It's Sculpting Transforming Skin Perfector. So this is like a bronzer and a highlighter in one, or you can either, you know, use this matte shade by itself, or you can like mix it together with the shimmer. I'm gonna take this angled brush and I'm actually just going to dip into the matte part, so highlighting part. Makeup by Mario on the skin. Perfecto. And I'm going to take this purple shade here, that darker purple shade we used as a first shade, and we're going to pop that right under the lash line, like that. My mascara from Guerlain, and we're going to do the lower lashes. So I do the lower lash line last because I feel, for me, and from what I've noticed, the powder kind of takes off what I already applied, so I just do it last. A product I'm very excited to use from Mcgrath. Mcgrath Labs Blush Without Caution. Duration and, oh my god, I can't pronounce that. It's a little difficult to open. Okay, got it. It is so pretty. Look at it. It's beautiful. And the darker you are, the brighter the blush, honey. Blush brush here. Gorgeous. Very smooth. It's not chalky. It's not patchy. Of course, it's Mcgrath. Do we expect anything less? No. This is the Makeup by Mario lip liner. Now this thing, I don't know what was going on with his lip liners or whatever, but it was so hard to get them back in stock, or just for me to get this one. And this is his brown lip liner, and it's in the shade Jeff, and it has a brush on the other end. Blends nicely. Doesn't feel like a color pencil. Okay, has a brush on the end, which is perfect for blending out the lip color. And I'm going to try the Chanel Rouge Allure Lac 88 Rose Mystique formula. It's more on the creamy side, but it dries down matte and it does not dry out your lip at all. So we're going to apply a little bit of this. Love it. I love it. Take our Party All Night, Stay All Day setting spray. And thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you fully enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was nice using these new products. I feel like it's always nice to add new makeup to your makeup collection and throw some things out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.